www.competentskills.com. Exchange has been a part of our society since the beginning. In fact, society has been built on the principles of exchange. Exchange simply means giving and receiving in equal value. Before money was a thing, people exchanged in items and livestock in quality and quantity that was perceived equal. That is how things were run and built. Now, why is exchange such a vital part, not just of our society, but also our economy, psychology, and personality as well? As humans always have been raised with a proper sense of equivalent exchange, I might even risk and say that humans born with a sense of equivalent exchange. People, they know that giving and receiving an equal share is right. Giving more than receiving is charitable. Receiving more than giving is frowned upon, almost like criminality. In fact, when we look at criminals, especially thieves and con artists, tax frauds, robbers, and burglars, their whole operation basis is built upon receiving more than giving, which is of course zero. One can automatically feel that way if he receives more than he can compensate for, and the psychological effects can be damaging. One can feel cowed, sick, ill, lazy, or just worthless, all coming from the simple fact of not returning favors and goods in equivalent value. As for the economy, when exchange is not present, it collapses. That is why most welfare countries are functioning in debt and crippled fashion, not even mentioning the amount of depressed individuals in those countries, which is to say the least, higher than it should be. In sales, as this is still a sales video, a salesman's natural duty should be to always give more than expected. For one, the prospect can sense the imbalance between the prospect and the sales rep. So the prospect either consciously or emotionally will want to repay the sales rep. More often than not, it is done by buying or signing the contract which has been proposed. As a final thought, only criminals don't exchange properly. If everybody would follow this social principle, our economy and standards of living and our happiness would be one. But that is up for the collective to do. What about you?